Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best telescope that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Celestron 76mm Cometron FirstScope, compact and portable tabletop. The Celestron 21023 Cometron FirstScope is a popular choice for beginners, and with a wide field of view, it's commonly used to observe galaxies, star clusters and comets. It features a lightweight, portable design, and since it's easy to use, it's a top pick for beginner astronomers. The Celestron 21023 can be set up without tools, and it comes with 2 Kellner eyepieces. An additional selling point for this telescope is the included finder scope, which is a great accessory for beginners. This telescope is designed with a 76mm aperture, and it features a Dobsonian style. The Celestron 21023 is an upgraded version of the original FirstScope, and with a weight of only 4 pounds, it can be transported and used almost anywhere. The only downside is that it's not as sturdy as it could be, and if you're not careful, you could accidentally break it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gskyer Telescope. Gskyer is a well-known brand that helps tons of people dive head first into the world of astronomy. This telescope model is a perfect example of Gskyer's accessibility. The optical device is a beginner-friendly tool that anyone can use. The coolest feature is the smartphone adapter. Astrophotography used to be a hobby that was out of reach for most. But with the included adapter, you can start snapping pictures to your heart's content. It positions your phone's camera to where your eye would be. That way, it can capture the light that's filling the optical tube. It even comes with a wireless remote so that you can save pictures without ruining your telescope's position. At number 3, we have the HEXEUM Telescope. This HEXEUM Telescope is pretty good for an entry-level telescope. HEXEUM is not a name I had heard of before, so I was interested to find out what the gear is like. They sell entry-level scopes and night vision binoculars. This product has high-quality optics and a fully high-transmission coated all-optical lens to improve image brightness and clarity. It has excellent magnification for an entry-level scope and is very comfortable and convenient to use, thanks to the carrying bag. I like this product because it is simple to set up, quick to use, and easy to focus. At number 2, we have the Celestron ExploraScope 22103, 114 AS Reflector Telescope. Here we have another product from Celestron, and it's the popular ExploraScope 114AZ. This is a classic Newtonian reflector telescope, and it has been redesigned with a new mount and fresh look. For smooth, precise control, it features a new altitude slow-motion rod, and the rod significantly increases pointing accuracy. This telescope comes with a star pointer finder scope, which helps beginner astronomers navigate the night sky with a red dot. The Celestron ExploraScope 114 AS works great at night, but it's just as useful for daytime terrestrial observing. This telescope is engineered for the beginner and works well for observing the moon, stars and planets. The red dot finder scope makes it easy to sight objects, and the altitude rod allows for precise pointing. The Celestron ExploraScope 114 AS comes with everything an amateur astronomer would need to get started. And finally at number 1, we have the Gskyer Telescope. The Gskyer brand isn't as well known as some of its competitors, but it's quickly becoming a heavy hitter. It's particularly popular among astrophotographers and new hobbyists. Take this refractor telescope as an example. It has all the features you need to start stargazing immediately. Best of all, you can take some killer photos right out of the box. All you need to do is grab your smartphone. This telescope comes with a smartphone adapter and a wireless remote. Get set up, and you can see what the telescope sees through your smartphone screen. With a press of the remote, you can save memories. The telescope itself is surprisingly robust. It has high transmission coatings, a massive aperture to let light in, and versatile eyepieces.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.